Try this with your skincare and I promise you guys, everyone's gonna be like, what did you do with your skin? Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. It's Sarah Vieira. Today I'm going to be doing an in-depth skincare video showing you guys everything that I do step by step to keep my skin looking smooth, hydrated, moisturized. Like, nobody wants wrinkly skin. These are all preventative measures, and if you're really young and you want to get into skincare as well, this video is for you, so here we go. I wanted to come in and show you guys how I put on my face cleanser, but I literally just make sure that I'm rubbing it into everywhere, not just on my forehead, but also on my chin and on my neck. Everything that you do to your face, you want to make sure that you do it to your skin as well. This tool, just getting rid of all the dead skin cells on your skin. It's also linked in my Amazon storefront. It's not that sharp, but I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So I always want to be close to a mirror, and because I'm in my room right now, I just go like this, like just basically shave downwards. It removes the hair off of your face, which gives you like that nice, flawless, soft skin look. And I also feel like doing this really helps you get into like each pore. It helps you get like all the spots a lot better. I know it looks crazy, trust me, it works. Don't be scared when you're doing this. I was really scared when I first started doing this because, I don't know, the razor looks a little bit sharp, but it's really not, you know what I mean? It's not like you're going straight onto your face. It's just a matter of trial and error. I'm also trying to avoid my eyebrow area because I'm getting my eyebrows done next week, I think. Look at that. You can low-key see my nose getting like a little bit red. So I have oily skin like on my T-zone. I've said this story before on my TikTok. I had this one friend who literally told me that my face was so oily they could make an egg on my forehead. Are you crazy? Now you want to make sure with your skincare you're doing everything that you do to your face, to your chin and your neck. I feel like a lot of people neglect their neck. Low-key I do too. That's why I got this one little pimple over here the other day. So we want to make sure that you're getting everything on your chin and your neck as well. Main benefits of doing this, guys, is that it takes away excessive texture that you may have on your skin. It minimizes any blackheads, whiteheads, and honestly, overall, it just makes your skin smooth like a baby's bottom. You're gonna scream. This is some of what I got off of my face. You can see it there. The rest of it is on a tissue, but I feel like that's a little personal to show you guys what I got there. Now we're gonna use my facial steamer, and guys, this is literally my holy grail for skincare. You're gonna want to use this to open up your pores, and it's so cute. It's on Amazon, which is going to be in the links down below. The tool that we're going to use to like really get into our pores and clean everything out is this. You are going to be mind blown by this facial steamer. This has literally changed my face game like so much. You want to make sure that you don't put too much water, guys, because if you put too much, the hot water will literally come out and blow your face up. You're just moving around so it gets everywhere on your face. I'm just trying not for it to get like on my lashes because I just got them done though. I feel like when it comes to skincare, like, skin really either makes you or breaks you in terms of your confidence. I have always felt my best when I felt like my skin looked the best. So doing this is so good for your skin because since it's a facial steamer, it boosts your collagen in your skin, helps you look younger, adds stimulation into your skin. It opens up your pores. You want to make sure that you open up your pores every now and then, clean them out, give them fresh air. And it also hydrates your skin. So if you have dry skin, this is really great. I have oily skin, but it's also really good because it helps open up your pores so you can get out anything that may be clogging your skin. I try my best to do it twice a week. I just use this tool and you can already see I've literally been using it for a few seconds. There's already buildup in there. Getting into the creases of my face. This area right here, I feel like a lot of people neglect it. If you have like whiteheads or blackheads in your nose area, this is also really good. I feel like my most problematic area is my nose. It collects a lot, so I just run through it. And the kit also comes with like some things that if you want to like pop your pimples and stuff. I'm gonna be real with you guys, I pop my pimples like if I see them, but I pop them out very strategically using this tool. Let me know if you guys want to know in the comments like how to do it. Now we're gonna just moisturize our skin. I don't even know where my toner is. I love this face lotion because it's so lightweight, it's so affordable. affordable. I think this is like $9 from Amazon. I just got it shipped to my house, so I don't even leave my house. That's so bad, guys. Regardless of whatever type of skin you have, moisturizing your skin will reduce fine lines, will reduce wrinkling. It's also like a really good preventative measure. So yeah, guys, this is our updated skincare routine. I'll show you guys how it looks when I apply makeup now, and you'll actually notice a big difference with this, especially with the finish. I just feel like it gives a nice glowy flawless finish. That is the end of our skincare video. It wasn't too long. I would recommend using a toner, but right now I'm looking for a really good toner. I used to use a tea tree oil, but my esthetician actually told me to get a rose water one, so I'm looking for that. But I also don't want something too expensive, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my skincare video. See you guys in a few more days, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Gas. This is slow, so I give them a pass. Like that, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am.